to get all that information and make your reservations to stop by for Valentine's Day. And back with us now is Andy Stadler. We said earlier in the show, Andy started out with us talking about some things we need to know about the tax changes for 2011. And I want to talk now, Andy, as we promised our viewers, about rapid refunds, because over the years, that's always been a big deal for a lot of people to go get their taxes filed and almost instantly have some money back in their pocket. Talk about some changes to that system and how it's working this year.
Well, the W-2s are just now coming out. You should have received yours in the mail, in the last couple of days, or you will in the next few days. But people want their money really quick, and they do. A lot of folks get what we call a rapid refund loan. The Internal Revenue Service has drastically changed how they're processing this paperwork this year, which means that a lot of the local tax companies do not have a rapid refund program. H&R Block doesn't have it. I believe there's 4 companies in Terre Haute that actually has a rapid refund program. We're one of them. At our company, you can get over $3,000 of your refund as a loan if you want that. But there is some major changes, so be sure to check with your licensed tax professional to see even if they offer a rapid refund program.
And be cautious, I guess, a word of advice, of scams that may still be out there, people promising to be able to do these things.
Yes.
You need to really check that out.
That's right. There'll be a lot of companies that may promise it to you and may make all kinds of reasons why you didn't get it, but the reason, probably the real reason is they simply didn't have a program to begin with.
Right. Now, I want to talk about, I know I was at Walmart the other day and there's this big display for TurboTax. And, and a lot of people buy, programs like TurboTax to file their taxes. Is there a place for that, and should people consider that? Take me through the pros and cons.
Well, TurboTax I think is really good if you're a college student, a very simple tax return. If you are married, if you have a small business, if you have a rental property, if you have stock investments, that's not the thing for you. You're probably going to cost yourself a lot more money. Plus, in that TurboTax and those other programs similar to that effect, there's a lot of additional hidden fees that are not there. There's actually a company out there called PC Novice. It's a computer company that went through and determined that it actually costs you just as much to do it at home versus going and seeing an accountant. Plus, the accountant's going to give you a lot more financial advice as well as help you if you get audited by the IRS.
I think it gets so easy and quick when you do some of these programs to click a mouse here, here and here, and am I really checking the right things I need to be checking? So I think that's great advice. And if you want to reach out to Stadler and Company, you can give them a call at 812-478-2800. Thanks, Andy, for being on with us. We'll be back next Friday right here on Valley Showcase on NBC2. Have yourself a great weekend.
To find out how you can be a part of the Valley Showcase, call Doug Edge at 812-696-2121. The Valley Showcase Kitchen has been provided by the Barn Custom Woodworking.